Recording the sewer line here at 552 North 73rd, date's March 11th, 2020. Pulling back from the neighbor tie-in to the west. So this is where the neighbor's pipe ties in, and coming back is our place here. There's clay pipe there. Some concrete line here. Here's the clean out access here. There's our 4-inch to 6-inch transition there. So 4-inch pipe, 6-inch pipe. And that's where that clean out access is, out in the front by the sidewalk. So this is old concrete 4-inch pipe. This is where we have our roots. So root, roots, and old aggregate concrete starting to fall apart. Got a tie in there at the very end of the pipe of where the cast iron, this is cast iron, connects to the concrete coming back from there. So we got about 30 feet or so of 4-inch concrete with root intrusion that I would advise replacing. This old cast iron looks to be in pretty good shape. So there's a clean out we're recording from. I'm going to end the recording there. Go get some locates out there.